Hi guys, let's look at a sample exam question that I'm going to be explaining it to you and how the answer should come about. So now, this question actually has some errors. I don't know whether it has typing errors or what. Maybe the person that was typing the question made some errors. Because when you look at the answer, they are saying that the answer is C. Okay, let's assume that the answer is C. So where is UST coming from? So let's assume this is a typing mistake and change it to list. Okay, so if it was list.remove if, that would be fine. But then look at the lambda expression that has been passed to the method. It takes E, and then here it is doing E mod 2 equals to this. This is an assignment operator. It should be exactly equals to, which is double equals to. Okay, so you should have exactly equals to here in order to solve that problem. Okay, so let's assume that the problem was solved. Then this will never give this unless you have to change this 15 to 13. Remember, in the list they added 21, 13, 30, 11 and 2. 15 was never added in the list, but the whole idea of the question was for you to see the type of elements that are going to be removed. So when you look at this, let's say we correct all the issues by changing this to list, and then instead of having equals to here, we have exactly equals to. Okay, because the remove if method has an implementation of the predicate in the background. So the method has an implementation. The parameter of this method is the predicate. So whatever lambda expression that you pass to this method must match the syntax of the test method in the predicate. So the syntax of the test method in the predicate says the method must return a boolean and it should take a single parameter. So this takes a single parameter, and in order for this to return a boolean, it must be exactly equals to. So let's assume that all of these things are corrected. Then if they are corrected, then we need to also change this 15 to 13 in order for the answer to be C. So I hope I've really done my best to explain the issues that the question is having, because if all this is corrected and we still come and have 15 here, it's not going to be possible because 15 was never added in the list. Okay, so that is it, and that is it that you have to do in order for the answer to be C. So with that said, if you go in the exam and you see the question exactly like this, then your answer should be none of above. Okay, none of the above, because there is no way we can get this answer with these errors in it. So that is it, guys, and those are the corrections that I wanted to do. So you can see that it takes a certain element and then it checks whether that element mod 2 is exactly equals to 0. So with this kind of lambda expression, you see that the lambda expression will only return true if the element is if the element mod 2 is equals to 0. So this will happen only to even numbers. Remember, E mod 2 equals will give 0 if the element is even, and if that element is even, it's going to be removed out of the list. And at the end, when you print your list is going to have only odd numbers. So I hope I've really explained this example very well. And guys, if you have another example on lambda expression that you think you don't understand very well, just post the example in the comment section. Like I said, very soon I will give you guys my email. I'll create an email and give it to you, so that if you have some questions, you can send them directly to my email, and then I will create or find time and respond to the question or explain it to you. So okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and also make sure you share it to those who are facing or those who are about to write their exams. And also don't fail to subscribe, so that when I post a new video, you will see it or you get the notification. Okay guys, so see you in the next section of the videos.